Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nuna, and in today's video I will be showing you my simple skincare routine. I first start off with the Neutrogena Acne Face Wash to cleanse my skin. So I'm massaging the cleanser into my skin for a few seconds and then I'll rinse it off. After rinsing off my skin, I dab some of the water off of my face and then I follow up by applying the Bioma Balancing Face Mist. I'm applying this face mist because it helps my other serums that I apply afterwards to absorb better into my skin. So the first serum I'm applying is the Garnier Hyaluronic Acid. This is a thicker hyaluronic acid, so it tends to feel tacky on the skin and it can tend to pill. So the face mist also helps to prevent it from peeling. Then I follow up with my Sohe Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This serum has a thinner consistency and absorbs easily into the skin as compared to the Garnier. Next, I'm applying the Green Tangerine Vitamin C Serum. Most times I apply all three serums at the same time before rubbing it into my skin. After rubbing in all three of these serums, I'll follow that up with my Cetaphil moisturizer. And finally, I finish off the skincare routine by applying the Supergoop Play sunscreen. This is my simple skincare routine. It's the same routine that I follow at night. The only thing is that I don't apply a sunscreen. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and please subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.